The samurai sensei's disciple. Taro was a young boy. He lived in a small village in Japan. The year was 1600. Taro wanted to be a samurai. He dreamed of swords and honor. One day, Taro saw an old man. The old man had a big sword. He looked very strong. Taro wanted to talk to him. "Hello, sir," Taro said. "Are you a samurai?" The old man smiled. "Yes, I am. My name is Kenji." Taro's eyes got big. "Wow! Can you teach me to be a samurai?" Kenji looked at Taro. He thought for a minute. Being a samurai is hard work. "Are you ready?" Taro nodded. "Yes, I am ready." "Okay," said Kenji. "Come to my house tomorrow. We will start your training." Taro was very happy. He ran home to tell his family. The next day, Taro went to Kenji's house. It was a small house near the forest. Kenji was waiting outside. "Good morning, Taro," said Kenji. "Are you ready to work hard?" "Yes, sensei," said Taro. Kenji gave Taro a wooden sword. "First, you must learn to hold the sword." Taro held the sword. It was heavy. His arms got tired fast. "Good," said Kenji. "Now, stand like this." Kenji showed Taro how to stand. Taro tried to copy Kenji. It was hard. His legs hurt. "Very good," said Kenji. "Do this for 1 hour." Taro was surprised. 1 hour? That's a long time. Kenji nodded. "Yes, it is. A samurai must be strong and patient." Taro tried his best. After 1 hour, his legs were very tired. But he felt proud. "Good job," said Kenji. "Now, let's clean my garden." Taro was confused. "Clean the garden? But I want to learn sword fighting." Kenji smiled. "A samurai must do many things. Cleaning helps you focus." So, Taro cleaned the garden. It was hard work. But he did not complain. Days passed. Taro worked hard every day. He cleaned, he cooked, he carried water. He also practiced standing with his sword. One day, Taro asked, "Sensei, when will I learn to fight?" Kenji looked at Taro. "You are learning to fight every day." Taro did not understand. But he trusted Kenji. Months passed. Taro got stronger. He could hold his sword for a long time. He could clean the whole garden fast. One day, Kenji said, "Taro, you are ready for the next step." Taro was excited. "What is it, sensei?" Kenji gave Taro a real sword. It was beautiful. "Now, we will practice moves." Taro was very happy. He practiced sword moves every day. It was hard, but fun. 1 year passed. Taro was now very good with his sword. He was also strong and patient. One day, a group of bad men came to the village. They wanted to steal food. Taro was not scared. He stood in front of the village. He held his sword. The bad men laughed. "Look at this boy. He thinks he's a samurai." But Taro did not move. He remembered all his training. The bad men tried to fight Taro. But Taro was fast and strong. He moved like the wind. He did not hurt the bad men, but he scared them. The bad men ran away. The village was safe. Everyone cheered for Taro. Kenji came to Taro. He looked very proud. "Well done, Taro," said Kenji. You are a true samurai now. Taro bowed to Kenji. Thank you, sensei. I could not have done it without you. Kenji smiled. Remember, Taro, a true samurai is not just strong. He is also kind and wise. Taro nodded. He understood now. All his hard work had made him a real samurai. From that day on, Taro protected the village. He also taught others. He remembered Kenji's lessons. He was a good samurai and a good teacher. And so, Taro's story became a legend in the village. People talked about the boy who became a samurai. They remembered how he saved the village. Taro lived a long life. He was always kind and brave. He never forgot Kenji's lessons. He was a true samurai until the end of his days.